And I'm Tim Gibson, and I'm going to talk to you about how to change a furnace filter. Now, the first thing I want to do, if your HVAC unit is running, to change the filter, it's usually easier if we go ahead and turn it off. Whether you're running in heating mode or cooling mode, it's going to continue to run for about a minute until it finishes cycling through. Now, a couple filters you can use. This particular filter is a dust collector and filter. So you can see it has a solid surface on it. Now, the typical filters you have your fiberglass filters that are blue. And now those only trap, as far as pulling dust particles and particulates out of the air, those will only trap about usually from 5 to 20%. These high efficiency filters can actually pull up to about 80 or 90% of your dust out of the air. So they're very good to use. Now, also, what you want to do when you're looking at changing your filters, this is something you want to do every 90 days. Now, if you're in a particularly dusty environment, or if you have several days where you don't have any rain, where you have more, you may want to do it more than that 90 days. You may want to do it every couple of months. Now, here's your return air, and you have, most of your return air grills have these couple of clips at the top. So you simply just pull these clips out, and you want to pull it down. And how you know, and you can see on this one, if you have a lot of dust collection, your filter will be very dark. That's when you know it's time to change it. And you see you typically get a lot of accumulation down here near the floor. But as your unit collects, it'll actually start getting more dust up to the top. So we pull that out. Now, a very important thing to check, on the side of your filter you have an arrow here. It says airflow. So you want to make sure that you point that arrow back towards your ducting and into the wall. And you want to push it in place. And you push your clips back in. And that's all there is to it. So you can go back to your control unit, turn it back on. And I'm Tim Gibson, and that's how you change a furnace filter.